So me and Ishita going for like to get few things from the grocery shops, basically for a grocery run. I'm ready with my mask and yeah, I will shoot how it looks outside. So it's one of those things that keep me sane. So basically grocery runs are the one that keep me sane and help me stay okay during the lockdown. So and we're out. We're walking because none of us know how to drive. So yeah. So we're walking towards the grocery store. It's just like not even a kilometer away. Almost a kilometer away, I guess. And it's just so weird talking in the mask, but Corona, so we have to just. Okay, bye. So we're walking towards the grocery store, and there's very less people and very few cars on the road. Obviously, which is good also. People are following this means. I see one car approaching towards us. People are just so creeped out, like, why am I shooting? Are at the grocery store and they've put a rope to stop people from entering. I can ask him and he'll get me all the stuff I want. By the way, hats off to these grocery store owners. They're here from 7 a.m. onwards so we can have our supplies sorted. Little note, next time you visit a grocery store or any other shop, thank them for their services. It might just make their day. So this is the basket that he puts all the purchases in for us to check and then pay. I use Google Pay or Paytm to avoid touching the currency notes. Shop too, and I can see people practicing social distancing properly, which is great. Also, this store is barring people from entering and following the same thing as shop 1 was doing. So we are with all this stuff. The amount of stuff that we've got. Oh my god, like, काफी ज़्यादा है. But yeah, so now we're walking back and we forgot the. So we didn't carry a bag, so we have to carry everything in our hands. So a lesson. The next time we'll have to carry a bag. This is so beautiful. The sunset's looking so amusing. Nature's turned just too beautiful during this whole lockdown. Also because less of human intervention, obviously, it's gonna get beautiful. Look at it, look at the sky, the clouds, oh my god. Hello. So we're back from our grocery store visit and now I'll quickly go and sanitize all the things we got. I washed my face and hands and everything before first. And now we'll just go quickly and sanitize all of those things. So yeah, so it's all safe. While I was working out, I spotted this flying object but couldn't really make out what it was actually. But I guess it is one of those special flights or something. Hopefully, people reach their homes safe.